We have the Litex fan, the footprint vent fan. I got this at Habitat, put it in the living room. Looks pretty good. It's got a cool spotlight kit on it. Anyway, here's high. It's actually a pretty good air mover for one of these. Moves good air. I like it. It actually looks pretty good in here too. It's medium. And low. It's got a nice low speed, I like it. Pretty nice. And off. Not a bad looking fan. I like the footprint vents. It's got 4 or 5 blades, but I put 4 on it because, I don't know, I like 4 blade fans better. But yeah, there's the Litex Aircool fan. Not sure which it is or what it is, but I liked it, so it ended up going in here. The CEC is now in the kitchen. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.